Julie, well, do you need another reason to drink coffee? Researchers think it can actually help prevent skin cancer. A recent study looked at 500,000 people and found those who drank more than, here's key, 4 cups of coffee a day had a 20% lower risk of developing melanoma over the course of a decade. But that makes you scratch your head. Why is that? Well, 8 on Your Side has the answers, and the answer man today is Dr. Seth Forman. And this is a head scratcher. I mean, you and I were talking a little bit about caffeine. That's the key here?
Yes, we're talking about the caffeine. They found that the result did not occur in people who used decaffeinated. Decaf was not getting the same effect.
Okay, and why is that? Is caffeine some sort of miracle substance?
Well, caffeine, we don't know if it's a miracle substance, but what we do know is it has a lot of pharmaceutical properties, such as they use it in preemies who are having breathing problems. They use it for people for awareness and to be awake. Also, caffeine is actually used in some migraine headache. So the fact that it has properties that may protect your skin, that's not a surprise.
But I think people think only about staying awake with caffeine. They wouldn't necessarily think about skin or melanoma. Was it surprising to you? It's
surprising to me. However, I can see why that would be true. Caffeine has been used for a lot of different reasons, like we just discussed. Could have some anti-inflammatory properries, which can help in reducing the risk of melanoma.
And there are other keys to that, like sunscreen and...
Well, those are the big ones. You can't, drink your 4 cups of coffee and spend 3 hours in a tanning bed. That's not really going to work.
That's not going to happen.
However, sunscreen, using clothing, even better than sunscreen, protective clothing, I find is a lot better. Sunscreen washes off, clothing hopefully stays on. And wearing hats, sunglasses, those are the most important things.
Well, and when you look at risk versus reward with anything, is 4 cups of coffee a day a lot? I know a lot of people around here who drink that.
I probably drink 3 or 4 cups of coffee a day. Just make sure you're always close to a bathroom.
Is a cup about 8 ounces?
It's funny because we don't really know what a cup means, because these days you go to Starbucks or you go to one of these other places like you were just discussing, giant, but how much of it is caffeine? Right. A lot of it's milk, sugar. And that's one thing to watch out for. If you're drinking 4 of these sugary, fatty drinks, you're asking for other problems.
Oh, yeah.
You may be protecting from melanoma, but you might be inviting weight gain, diabetes, high triglycerides. So you really have to, like everything, you have to moderate.
Yep, very good. Dr. Seth Forman, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Very interesting.
Thank you.